Today, we're manufacturing essential parts. Welcome back to production line. Last time, we rebuilt this entire assembly line, as you can see right in front of you. But one of the biggest focus was in recreating the assembly line, was creating a new paint section that is really efficient. That was the goal. And well, towards the end of the last video, we noticed something really bad about the paint section that we built. And I think you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's all backed up. It's not efficient. Like I said, it's not efficient. It's all backed up in which is our drying undercoat. It's all backed up. And as you can see, like the whole assembly line is just all backed up, which is not efficient. And that means we are not producing enough cars, and our money is going up and down and up and down, fluctuating like crazy. And it doesn't mean if we're gonna have a positive future or a negative future. I don't know. So today, I want to do something that's going to be absolutely crazy and probably literally unreal. But today, I want to be focusing on making the line more efficient, and we're going to start with the paint section. We're going to be moving the paint section from this small area over into the Darylus donut world over here. This is going to be one huge paint section. Is it going to be worth it? I don't know, but maybe it might be just worth. Well, I'm now thinking what I should and shouldn't do. You know what, we're gonna move it over into here. We're gonna create something a little bit more efficient off screen, and then we're gonna utilize this whole area here for manufacturing. As you guys can see at the moment, we've got some backups down here, and I think we got backups at steering column. What is it? Steering wheel. I believe it's also wheels, tires, and brakes, and all that jazz. Pretty much this whole engine bay area, we've got shortages, and we've also got shortages at our door panels. I think it's our door panels, fitting roof. What else is there here? Fitting windows, door panels. Yeah, you guys get what I'm talking about. We got shortages in our paneling section and a little bit in our wheels section. We've got shortages, and we put so many stockpiles down thinking that's going to solve the issue. But honestly, if we can have local manufacturing that goes manufactured straight onto the car, I think that might be a huge win for us in the long run. Before we get started, if you guys do not want to miss out on any new videos just like this one, make sure you guys go down below and click that subscribe button, which is underneath this video, so you get notified when we upload brand new videos of production line or any game that's just like this one in building, simulation, ideal, any game just like this. Click the subscribe button, be part of the growing community. Thank you for all your love and support, and let's get right into building an efficient assembly line. I have no idea what I'm talking about, so let's get into it. So I forgot to mention one critical thing. As you would have noticed at the end of last video, if you haven't watched it already, go and check it out, guys. But in the end of the last video, we had 4 outstanding loans, and today I'm extremely, I was nearly lost what word I was going to say, extremely happy to say, guys, that we are debt-free once again. All the loans have been paid off. We've got $2.6 million. We're losing a fair bit of money because I just paid the loans off, and but that's all right. We should start fluctuating, but we are making some type of money. But the one thing that we do need to focus on now is creating a little bit more of an efficient setup going into here. That is one key thing we need to do. And now looking at it over here, I might not be able to put the paint section over into here because we might not have enough room, because we'll have to come down into there, or I might have to bring all these over by one to have that enough space to come in and out. There's going to be a bit of a challenge, but we're always up for a challenge. But one thing I do need to do, guys, is we're going to start taking a look at manufacturing. And to do that, well, I need to go to facilities, I need to go to research center, and I need to place some research centers down just like this, because these research centers are critical to our success. And let's go to research. So technologies, we're not going to really be researching much, right? I do want to start looking at electric powertrains and batteries and all of that in the next video, but we're going to focus on a few things first, right? The first thing we're going to focus on is door panel manufacturer is something we need. We probably need window manufacturer. We probably need wing mirror manufacturing. What else do we need? Probably hood. Do we need a hood? What about roof? Probably roof manufacturing we need. Probably need then the sunroof, and then the panoramic sunroof we'll probably need. Powertrain. Do we want to manufacture our own powertrain? That would be cool. I don't think we're not really waiting on it. So I think, well, let's do brake, tire, wheel. What about steering wheel manufacturing? That would be cool. What else do we need? Lights? Are we struggling on lights? I think we're struggling on seats at the moment. I might actually just research this stuff. It's got wheels, wing mirrors, and pretty much all of our body parts at the moment here. Might get that going. And while that's going is we're going to recreate the paint booth. I think that is all we need to get done in terms of researching over here. Yeah, I think that's it. I think what we might do now is really start focusing over here in Donut Well. We're going to expand our factory. Now, we are paying for this factory, so we better make something really efficient and decent, right? Otherwise, you know, that's just a waste of money. You know what I mean, guys? It's a waste of money. And we've got to really start figuring out, right? If we go to this station here, we know, let's get rid of this. This takes 3 minutes per vehicle. All right, well, that's pretty good, isn't it? But this one here takes 9 minutes. So what's that? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one can create 3 vehicles by the time this can actually drive 1 car. Okay, so 1 by 3. So probably if we want to have, I don't know, we'd probably want to have 6 drying stations, maybe. I don't know, maybe 6 or something. We need like something ultimate, pretty much. We need like an ultimate paint booth. Yeah, just like I'm also wondering if I want to bring all the cars. I don't know how I want to do this now. This is a huge challenge, I tell ya. You know, one thing what we might do is let's come to here. Let's go to demolish. Let's demolish everything that we've got in here at the moment. Let's start clean. Let's get rid of all of this. That's not needed. That's not needed. That comes in. That comes out. We know that comes out, so let's get rid of that. We know that comes out over to there. And let's probably start clean. So I'll be with you guys very shortly. I'm going to quickly build something up. Wait, do I want to put it here or do I want to put it over here? I'm now changing my mind what I want and what I want to do. You know what? Let's still build it over here and we might be able to utilize part of this area for something else. Maybe. I don't know. I'll be with you guys very shortly. I'm losing what I'm saying. Let's get let me just create a really good assembly line. Give me a sec. So I've changed my mind and I'm putting the paint section actually back in the original area. And what we are going to do is we are going to build some type of manufacturing in this corner up here and try and utilize the rest of this area for something else. For maybe a new type of car, maybe. Maybe like a car that doesn't need a lot of manufacturing. That's kind of like what I want to put there. But there is a few things that we need to still add up here. We need to put the resource importer in. And we've got to get these conveyors in as well. So we've got to get a conveyor from there all the way down to here. From there. Whoop, there. From there. Need to come all the way down to here. Might as well be able to connect this one into there anyway. And just like that, we're going to be spending some money. I'm a bit concerned that we're going to be a little bit too backed up here. So what I might actually do, we'll go to paint, undercoat. We'll go upgrades. We'll go like this. And we'll go conveyor into there and then into there. So it's looking like we need more cars. All right, well, let's go into paint finish. We can chuck that into there. Buy those 2. Go to conveyor. Should be able to place 1 right through into there. That should be fine. Oh, we probably need a bit of a conveyor into there. So in terms of our backup, we're really backed up here. That's where the big issue is. So we've got all this coming down through inspections. And that's why. Where is it going from here? It's going into inspections. Okay, why don't we, you know what I'm thinking of doing is we move inspections back into this area here. We'll demolish pretty much all of this area here. So all that can go. This pretty much will come, oh, whoops. Actually should really be turning all of this around. So I might go move that back, turn that around to go like this, turn that around as well. So pretty much a conveyor will come down through here, pretty much wrap around right here. Instead of going, wait a sec, this wing mirrors, what we might do is let's shift that over by 1. That will come down. We'll connect this into there. That will come up the top over here and pretty much down through there. And then this will probably come back down. And we're pretty much just going to create like this buffer zone here of everything here ready to go into the paint section there. Let's see if that does anything. I'm not sure if it's going to do anything, right? I don't know. Hey, it's worth a try to see if something's going to happen. So visual inspection is honestly taking forever over here, so I might actually just bring these guys down, and if there's a defect they'll go into there. Pretty much there you go. The snake is in, going through here. Look at this, they're all waiting for the paint booth. That is good. It's very efficient now over here. I might actually go back into paint undercoat. Yeah, I might actually put 1 more in there and we'll see if that does anything for us. Hopefully that helps us out a little bit. Yeah, it's good to see we've got this bit of a buffer going here, which is good. A bit concerned with the money issue, so I am gonna take this $4.9 million loan out, but we're going to get started manufacturing because I think we have got nearly everything unlocked. Oh, wing mirror unlocked. No, 50% still to go. We'll wait for that, and then we're going to take a look at manufacturing real quick. I'm hoping that solves some of our issues, but it's good to see we got a bit of a backup here. It looks pretty efficient, what we've got going on in here, though. That's what we need. We kind of need that, like, buffer of the paint section. The paint section needs to have buffer. We can't just have back to back to back to back to back, you know? Need to have the buffer. Actually, this new setup is actually performing very well. We do have backups right here. So the question will be is, you know, the cool thing would be is to move all of this right back down the other side and to have a nice buffer. But yeah, look, I don't know what I'm saying. Don't forget, this is producing a lot of cars, right? So, you know, we've got something here. We're producing 4 versions of a sedan, 4 versions of an SUV. Like, we're like manufacturing a lot of things. So look, we've got this. Our money's going down. It doesn't jingle, but oh no. All right, let's have a look at advanced manufacturing. Make steel sheets. Have I not unlocked anything to do with advanced manufacturing yet? Advanced manufacturing. Come on, mate. Oh, we still got lots of manufacturing still research. I thought we were pretty much nearly finished. No way. Still got a fair bit to do. I might look at researching servo sensors. Make the window. Unlocks that. So let's do this. Advanced glass processing. We'll probably need the rapid panel stamping. So we're currently not using this design studio, and well, the marketing department we're not really using at the moment. We've got probably a lot of ideas. We have a look. Yeah, unused ideas. And I might actually just come into here and go into pretty much our, not design studio, research centers. Might place some research centers in. Just like that, we should be able to fast forward our researching capabilities. And this over here, the paint section actually is doing all right now, which I'm quite happy about. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for everything to be unlocked. And once everything's unlocked, we'll take a look at some manufacturing. So all of our manufacturing is unlocked now, and I am a little bit concerned about the money aspect. So I am going to take another loan out while we build some manufacturing. And as you can see, we can see where the pile ups are. It's pretty much our bodywork area. I am honestly not going to be considering doing any type of manufacturing for our wheels and everything today. If we find that we need a little bit more extra material over here, then we can consider it. But today, I think we're going to focus on manufacturing over here. So let's come in over here. Let's come into here. Let's go into advanced manufacturing. We can make steel sheets now. Check this out. Can I go here? We're gonna go 1. Whoa. Wait a sec. Automate. Make servos. Can I do that instead? Make servos. Right there. How's make sensors? Okay, well, I can go make servos there. Make sensors in there. Make steel sheets there and there. So that would be alright. We do have an importer here, so that's fine. Let's come up into fit body, fit door panels, fit windows, all of this. We do need roof, beautiful, and fit body frame. No hood, trunk, bumpers, no. Body frame not get unlocked. Make roof, fit doors. I think that was pretty much it. Make roof. So the roof, make a normal roof. So normal roof, we're gonna chuck in over here. That's a normal roof. We've got the make the sunroof. Put that in right there. And we need to make the panoramic sunroof. So might chuck you into there. So that's it for that. And indoors, we need to make doors. Doors is probably one of the biggest things that we've got going at the moment. So I might, oopsie daisy, I might go something like that. We'll get 2 lots of doors, make the wing mirrors. Let's go into like that, make wing mirrors there, and let's also go into, I might go like this, and I might get rid of that. Do we need double wing mirrors though? I don't know if we really need double wing mirrors, but that should be okay. Fit steering wheel assembly, we could make them in here, couldn't we? What about brakes? I think brakes was the biggest thing that we could look at. Could make some brakes in there. That would be all right. What about tires? Can we make tires? We can. So where could we fit that? I don't know. What about make wheels? Can't fit that anywhere. Well, this here is actually pretty good in terms of manufacturing. I'd be happy with what we've got here. Make servos. So let's come in here. Oh, whoops. All right, let's click on that. What do we got? No upgrades there. What about here? Early stock consumption. Making steel thingamajiggies. Nothing there. Making the roof, rapid panel beating. We don't have that unlocked yet. Making our sunroof. No, nothing there. Advanced glass. What about down here now? Wing mirrors. Yes, we can do all of this down here. Making brakes. Nothing. Making some door panels. No, nothing yet. We need rapid panel beating. That's something we are currently unlocking. All right, time to get this resource converter into here. Don't know what I'm talking about. That should be all right. So now we should be manufacturing. Yes, we are. So we're selling a lot of cars, which is good. I might bring our percentages down a little bit. One thing I have done. I don't know what I'm saying. I've gone through here. I've changed the schedule for our budget quantity. I've actually reduced our budgets down a fair bit. And you may be asking, Aidan, why? Let's upgrade all those slots first so we can get rapid panel beating going. But you may be asking, why, Aidan? Why have you done that? We go to the budget. Look, we're not making any money on our budgets anymore. Like, that's just crazy. We're not making any money. Wow. So that's very rare. Why on a budget we got a very rare item on here? Like, if we get rid of all the rares, rare. Wow. Rare. I had all these cool things on here, but they're just like not really making us any money here. Let's see if this updates itself. 1%, yeah. Like, that's why we had to change it, because we're not making money, and it doesn't make any money in the budget cars. So I wanted to, at least mid-range cars we need at least, you know, that's at least what we're getting in here. What are we getting? Lux, medium range, expensive cars. That's kind of like what we want. I'm a bit concerned about the money though. That's why we've got a few things we're doing. Come on game. And this paint section actually looks very efficient now. I'm very pleased with this actually. So the money is climbing now, which I'm super excited and grateful for, and I'm gonna drop that percentage down a little bit. We need to focus on getting more and more cars out of the showroom. I mean here. In terms of fit electronics, yeah, it should be all right. Fit electrical components, everything should be here and ready to go anyway. In terms of conveyors, do we need more conveyors coming through into here, coming into here like this? Hopefully that helps out a little bit. What are we waiting on exactly? Who knows? Guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Guys, make sure you smash a like on the video so we get these videos out to more and more people, guys. But the line is looking efficient now. The paint section is doing incredible now. I'm very happy over here. We're still a little bit backed up over here, but we've got a lot of stockpiles here that we can start to utilize to get this area going again. And we should start focusing a little bit over here. This section over here, our accessories is a little bit backed up. If we can get, ooh, okay, so fit windscreen. Okay, that's where we're a little bit backed up over here. Okay, so we could probably use some stockpiles over here. What do we need? Fit horn, fit accessories, copy from slot, fit accessories, horns and all of that there. That would be all right. Hopefully that does something. But what we are going to do in the next video, guys, is I want to take a look at not just doing more manufacturing. I want to unlock a new slot. I want to maybe come down into here and I want to start manufacturing something a little bit more incredible, something that's going to help us make more money a lot more faster. We're always experiencing money problems in every single video we're doing a production line. We're experiencing some type of money problem, so we need to fix that issue in the next video. But we are making money. I am happy to say that, and we are doing incredible in terms of the game. We're selling cars. We've made an extra $2 million here already, which is super incredible. In the next video, we are going to be doing something incredible. We're going to be unlocking this section down here, and we're going to be producing some sports cars. Yep, we're going into the sports market, sport car market, and if we have a look, yeah, we can definitely tell where we got to go. Where do we got to go next? Budget compact cars could be really good to see next. What else could we go? Sports cars, supercars. Yep, I definitely want to look at supercars because then we can try and maximize and make as much money as we can. Yep, it's all about money in the next video. So we're going to be manufacturing some Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLarens. That's what we're going to look at in the next video. So then we can sort our money issue out. So we keep expanding the factory here in Detroit. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, smash the like on the video to see more videos like this one. Make sure you click subscribe right here. Thank you for watching this video. Again, you watch the full playlist of Production Line. I'll catch you all next Tuesday at 12 AM. Australian Standard. Guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys then.